White-tailed deer, a story that surfaces just as hunters are on the prowl. Recent studies show white-tailed deer can catch COVID-19. Valley News Team JC Dodd has details.
Reports from the USDA show some white-tailed deer have tested positive for COVID-19 in New York, Pennsylvania, Michigan, and Illinois. And a study which hasn't yet been peer-reviewed found sick deer a little closer to home in Iowa.
In North Dakota, at this point, we don't know if our deer are infected with virus. We don't know, if it's occurring at all in the state and to what extent it would be.
So we really haven't had much chance to digest, what that research means for deer and hunters in Minnesota.
University of Minnesota researchers have begun testing local harvested deer for COVID-19.
So we are allowing them to access those and be interested to see what comes out of that research.
North Dakota Game and Fish has no plans to test deer this hunting season, but it's not off the table for next year. It's unknown how deer came in contact with the virus, but Dr. Bonson says there are theories floating around.
We know that virus can be detected in wastewater, so maybe somehow deer come into contact with that.
As the experts begin to wrap their heads around what this means for hunters and deer alike,
I hope that hunters can kind of take this one in stride and continue to get out there and enjoy what's so important to everyone.
JC Dodd, Valley News Live.
The USDA says there's no evidence that animals can spread COVID-19 to humans or that you can get the virus from eating the meat of an infected